Price elasticity of demand. We have already done the 3 degrees. There are 5 degrees. 5 degrees of price elasticity of demand. We have already done perfectly elastic demand. Second one is perfectly inelastic demand. Third one is unitary elastic demand. And now the fourth one and the fifth one, greater than unitary elastic demand and less than unitary. So now we are going to start with the point 4, which is greater than unitary elastic demand. If we show it as an coefficient, अगर हम coefficient के अंदर इसके अंदर बात करते हैं कि how will you show the coefficient of price elasticity of demand, so it will be like this: price elasticity of demand is greater than 1 when percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस. भाई जब प्राइस में जो चेंज हो रहा है उसके कंपैरिजन के अंदर डिमांड में क्या होता है, उससे कहीं गुना ज़्यादा चेंज होता है. सो ये बात तो कंफर्म है कि ऑलवेज प्राइस और डिमांड के बीच में प्रोपोर्शनेट चेंज नहीं होगा. ऑलवेज इट कांट बी हैपन कि जितनी प्राइस कम हो उतनी ही क्या हो जाए, उसकी डिमांड भी अफेक्टेड हो, डिमांड भी क्या हो उसकी चेंज हो. तो समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि प्राइस के अंदर तो थोड़ा सा ही चेंज होता है. एज अ रिजल्ट परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इज चेंज्ड मोर देन द प्राइस. परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड क्या हो जाती है, प्राइस से ज़्यादा चेंज हो जाती है. द शेड्यूल इज प्राइस क्वांटिटी demanded. For example, when the price is 100 and it will change to the 150. Demand is 100 and change to 25. देखिए प्राइस उससे क्या हुई है, इंक्रीज हुई है. तो जितनी प्राइस इंक्रीज हुई है उतनी हमारी डिमांड डिक्रीज नहीं हुई है, कहीं उससे ज़्यादा क्या हुई है, डिक्रीज हुई है. सो व्हेन वी मेक अ कर्व, origin x-axis, y-axis. Here we show the price and here we show the quantity demanded. So when the price is 100 and quantity demanded is 100. When the prices rise to 150, demand is decreased to 25. See the comparison. Change in price, this is the change in P. Clear? So change in P, and this is change in quantity demand. प्राइस में जितना चेंज हुआ है उसके कहीं ज़्यादा क्या हुआ है, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इज अफेक्टेड. सॉरी, यू हैव टू यूज अ स्केल to make a curve over here, dt, demand curve. And the coefficient of price elasticity of demand is greater than 1. जब percentage change in demand is greater than the percentage change in price. प्राइस के कंपैरिजन में जब डिमांड ज़्यादा चेंज होती है, देन इट विल बी द ग्रेटर देन यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज less than unitary elastic demand. जब हमारी क्या है, परसेंटेज चेंज इन quantity demanded is less than percentage change in price. प्राइस में होने वाले चेंज के कंपैरिजन के अंदर चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड जो है, अगर वो क्या रहता है, कम रहता है, इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हाट विल हैपन. सो इन दैट सिचुएशन price, quantity demanded, so the comparison, if we take in price and quantity demanded, price is increasing higher than decreasing in demand. Origin, x-axis, y-axis, here it is price, and over here is quantity demanded. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and this will be the 100. And if we talk about price, it will be 100, it is 200, and here is 150. So the price is 100 on 100. First of all, you have to take it like this, and after that the prices is rising to 150 and 180. And the price demand curve will be like this. This is the demand curve D. So beta, percentage change in price, this area is more than percentage change in quantity demanded. So when percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the price, then it is the price elasticity of demand is less than 1. So these are the 4-5 degrees of price elasticity of demand. And now it's time to the numerical portion. So first of all, we have to do the formula, how we have to calculate the price elasticity of demand. The formula for calculating price elasticity of demand is here. Price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in price. So this is the formula. Now, when a question is given to you, there are few things are given in it, and if I talk about the second formula की अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, then there will be a P. P means initial price. पहले की जो कीमत है. P1 is changed priced, or we can say that it's a new price. And if P1 minus P, what will we get is change in price. And Q is initial quantity. Q1 is new quantity. And Q1 minus Q is equal to change in Q. Change in quantity. So these are the things which you have find out in your question. And after that, how our formula is changed, how we have to calculate this percentage change in quantity. This percentage change in quality is calculated like this: percentage change in quantity demanded, change in Q divided by initial Q into 100, because 100 we have taken to calculate the percentage. So that's why we have taken 100 over here is, and like this percentage change in price, that will become in the down. So change in price divided by initial price multiplied by 100. So when we calculate this formula, this 100 is cancelled over here, and now the formula will be change in Q divided by Q multiplied by P divided by change in P. So when we solve it, it was reversed. Change in P will become in the down and P will be goes on up. And if we can write this formula like this also, P divided by Q, because it is same if we change the places of these two terms, multiply by change in Q divided by change in P. You have always seen that these PP will become in the cross section. So this is the formula. Now how you have to calculate the questions. Now the turn of your numerical portion. So okay, yeah, here I am having the question for you, that how you have to calculate these questions. So I am going with the practice session. So don't say the answer, whatever is given over here. Wait a minute, wait for a while. Yeah, I got it. So see the question, what is given to you. At a price of rupees 20 per unit. So this price which is given to you at a price of 20 per unit, the quantity of demand of a commodity is 300 units. If the price falls by 10%, अगर prices क्या हो जाते हैं 10% reduce हो जाते हैं, then the quantity demanded is rise by 20 units. So now you have to calculate the price elasticity of demand. So the price which is given to 20 per unit, what is given to you, this is the P. What is the P is? 20. And after that he is selling that the quantity, means that is Q, that is 300 units. If the prices falls by 10%, अगर क्या हो जाए, प्राइस फॉल्स हो जाए, कितना, by 10%. How much this amount is, we don't know about it. So first of all we have to calculate 20 into 10 divided by 100. So what will we get is rupees 2. So our demand is reduced by rupees 2 because the price falls. कम हुई है price. So the demand price will be reduced by 2. So the P1, the new price is 18 after reducing 2. Then the quantity demanded is, what is his quantity demanded, rise by 60 units. कि जो उसने quantity demand की है, when the prices are reduced, it was raised to 60. So now our Q1 is 300 plus 60. So it will be 360. Now you have to calculate change in P and change in Q. So for calculating change in P is equal to P1 minus P. So what is the P1 is given to you? P1 is given to you 18 minus 20. So change in P is 2. So always the minus sign will be ignorable over here. Now the next is Q. Change in Q is equal to Q1 minus Q. So Q1 is 360 minus 300. So change in Q is 60. Now we have to put all the figures in a numerical formula. So our price elasticity calculating formula is P divided by Q multiply by change in Q divided by change in P. So what's the P? P is the 20 and Q is 300. Now change in Q, which is over here, is 60. Change in P, it's 2 and it's 2. So our price elasticity of demand is 2. So like this you have to calculate the answers of numericals. Okay, I will give you some of the questions which you have to solve in your fair notebook after completing the written work.